Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to fix water leaking from the MOVA V50 Ultra dock station. Okay, so first of all, the first thing to check is make sure that the water bins are properly seated. So I'll get the charging station here, and you should be able to see it now. Make sure they are properly seated, so try removing them. You can see there's this seal. Make sure it's intact, it's all fine. If it is, then try putting the water tanks back in. Make sure it seats there nicely. Now once you know that, you should try going through the next steps, which is trying to remove any residue water from the washboard plate. I'll remove the mopping pads because they're there. Now there's this part that is removable here on the inside. Clean it, and then if there's water here on the inside, there may be some water, then try removing it with a cloth or paper towel, or however you want to remove it. It might have gotten there, and for some reason it might have not been automatically removed, even though it should technically. Then if that problem still occurs, you may also want to try to clean the robot's parts. So there are going to be these on the bottom of the robot, this hole and this hole. You may want to clean them to make sure that they are not the reason of the water leakage. And on the back you should also clean these three holes. You can use a brush for it or something. And if that didn't help, then you may want to contact the after sales service. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.